ADASH Advisor. Physics first. AI second. Finally, the right way to use AI in machinery analysis. What if machine analysis could finally give you not just data, but an answer you can trust and understand? This is ADASH Advisor, a new platform inside ADASH DDS that changes how machine faults are detected, understood, and acted on. The industrial world needs answers it can trust, and it needs answers people can actually understand. That is why ADASH Advisor represents a new generation of predictive maintenance and machine analysis, a two-layer approach that combines the reliability of physics-based diagnostics with the accessibility of modern AI assistance. At its core is the first layer, deterministic, physics-based diagnostic truth. Advisor evaluates machine condition and fault severity using defined logic, real machine behavior, and the necessary measurement context. It focuses on the key aspects of vibration diagnostics. If important parameters are missing, Advisor says so, because trustworthy diagnostics must be based on valid data. This is where the diagnostic truth begins. Then comes the second layer. AIDY Pro, the AI assistant, works on top of the diagnostic results to help users understand it, explore it, and act on it. However, AIDY Pro is not the source of truth. It is the intelligent assistant working above the result. It can explain the verdict, answer follow-up questions, help users understand fault mechanisms, suggest what to check next, and guide less experienced personnel through the meaning of the analysis. It also works with relevant DDS data context and advisor analysis data, including information on machine structure, measuring points, bearings or gears, vibration measurements, and trends. This is what makes Advisor platform different. It does not claim that every result is equally certain. It recognizes when important measurement context is missing. It recognizes when the input is strong enough for a reliable conclusion. And it knows when more should be verified before the user moves forward. For less experienced users, Advisor makes advanced diagnostics more accessible. For experienced analysts, it saves time without compromising on accuracy. For maintenance teams, it enables clearer, faster, and better decision-making. This is why Advisor is so much more than just a feature, and more than a chatbot. It is a new platform approach. A platform where the diagnostic engine remains trustworthy, the AI layer remains helpful, and the user gets both accuracy and usability at the same time. Not AI instead of diagnostics, AI on top of diagnostics. That is the ADASH way. This is why ADASH Advisor represents a genuinely new step forward in machine condition monitoring. ADASH Advisor. Physics first, AI second. Finally, the right way to use AI in machinery analysis.